It's workbook time. I love cooking. Well, we did the book. Now it's time to practice. But before we start, make sure to like and subscribe. Let's test you. Part 1, vocabulary. Everybody write the activities. Okay, for example, number 1, reading. Number 2, look at the picture. What do you see? Buying clothes. Number 3, cooking. Number 4, going to the movies. Number 5, painting. 6, bike riding. 7, watching TV shows. 8, flying. 9, camping. 10, doing yoga. 11, eating out. Eat in a restaurant. Eat out. 12, going for a walk. Everybody walk. L is silent. Walk. All right. Number 13, running. Number 14, shopping. Number 15, singing. 16, sleeping. 17, swimming. 18, traveling. Now, what is your favorite activity? Speak with your friends. Part 2, grammar. Everybody, put these into the columns. For example, plus ing, listening. E goes out, plus ing. Drive, driving. All right? And sometimes you have to repeat. Begin, beginning. 2 ends. Let's do it together. So, live, make, play, relax, sit, stop, study, write. In the first part, look, listening, playing, relaxing, studying. You just add ing. Next one, look, live, living. E goes out, you add ing. Make, making. Write, writing. And in the next one, double consonant plus ing. So get, getting. Sit, sitting. Stop, stopping. Easy as that. But follow me. It's your turn. B. Complete the sentences with ing form of the verbs from the list. Okay, for example, look at number 1. Emma wants a new job because she hates sitting in an office all day. Sit, sitting. And next exercise, write sentences. Love, like, not like, hate. All right, very good. For example, look at number 1. She loves dancing. The rest is yours. Stop the video. Take your time. There is no rush. We are learning together. Very good. Now let's do it with me. Okay, number 2. Pete likes living in a big city because there's a lot to do. Number 3, I hate taking tests. I'm always very nervous. Number 4, my mother has a car, but she hates driving. Number 5, I want to learn Chinese, but I don't like studying. Number 6, my brother loves listening to music. Number 7, we don't like paying cash. I prefer using credit cards. Number 8, we usually go to the Rocky Mountains for our summer vacation. We like hiking in the mountains. Number 9, I love relaxing at home on a Sunday evening. I usually watch TV or read a book. 10, I don't like getting up early. I always feel tired in the morning. Very good. Next exercise. It's a check, like. My brother likes playing tennis. Okay, 2 X's, hate. Min hates living in the city. Number 4, love. I love making dinner for my family. Number 5, my dad likes listening to classical music. And last one, my children don't like getting up early on the weekends. And that's it. Write about you. I need you to write sentences about activities you love, you like, you don't like, or you hate. Write as many sentences as you can. After that, show your sentences to your friends. Compare your sentences. It's on you. Pronunciation. Everybody, listen and write the words in the chart. Bull, ooh. Boot, ooh. Okay, let's do it.
8.2. File 8B. Pronunciation A. Book.
Food.
Good.
Look.
School.
Soon.
2.
Great. Now listen and check your answers.
8.3. File 8B. Pronunciation B. 1. Bull. Book. Good. Look. 2.
Boot, ooh, food, school, soon, 2.
Very good. Now I need you to listen and repeat the sentences and phrases. Let's go.
8.4. File 8B. Pronunciation C. 1. Cooking. 2.
I like cooking.
3. Swimming. 4.
Do you like swimming?
5. Reading. 6.
I love reading.
Very good. And all the way to the last set of today's exercise. Complete the missing words in the sentences. Let's do it together. Number 1, we love hiking in the mountains because it's very peaceful. Number 2, let's stay at home this evening. The weather's horrible. It's really cold. Number 3, do you like traveling alone or do you prefer going with someone else? Number 4, Maria's always the first person to dance at parties. Okay, number 5, my dad's a terrible singer, but he always sings very loudly in the shower. And last one, my sister's really frightened of dogs, especially big ones. And that's the daily practice for today. Everybody, I apologize if I couldn't post for a few days. I had a TOEFL exam for my master's degree, of course. As always, you can download the slides in the description part and you can contact me whenever you need something. Make sure to like and subscribe. You can also become a member and support our channel. But one thing is very clear. I will teach you every day. Peace out.